Let's get cooking. You'll need a knife and a cutting board to prepare your vegetables, and a pot with a lid for steaming the vegetables in. A simple steamer basket set inside of any pot with a lid works well, or I recommend investing in a stainless steel steamer pot like I'm using in the video. I'll share a link in the description for my recommendations on Amazon. Today, I'm steaming green beans and baby asparagus. These take the same amount of time to steam, so I can cook them together in a pot. If you're steaming thicker vegetables like carrots or broccoli, those take twice as much time to steam and should be cooked separately from thin vegetables like these. First, you'll need to wash and prepare your vegetables. I like to trim the ends of my green beans and chop them into thirds. I also like to trim the bottom 1/2 inches of the baby asparagus and trim them into thirds as well. Once I'm finished preparing my vegetables, I'll place them into a steamer basket. When my vegetables are ready to be steamed, I'll get my pot ready. Add a 1/2 inch water to the bottom of the pot and cover with a lid. Bring to a simmer on medium heat. Once the water is simmering, remove the lid using a pot holder to protect your hand. Place the steamer basket with the vegetables into the pot and cover again. Set a timer for 3 minutes. As a general rule, it takes 3 minutes to steam thin vegetables and 6 to 8 minutes to steam thick vegetables. After 3 minutes, your vegetables should be tender and ready to serve. To prevent them from continuing to cook and get mushy, rinse them with cold water right away. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for how to steam vegetables. Subscribe for more meal prep tips and visit my website, dailyfoods.com, for recipes. See you in the next video.